Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 EMA on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go to Insert. Click on it, Indicators, Trend, and choose Moving Average. Click on it. Now we have here period, type 20. Go to method and change it to exponential because EMA stands for exponential moving average. We have here style. You can change the color from here if you want. So I will choose red, for example. And we have here the thickness. You can change it also if you want. So I will choose this one and click on OK. Now, as you can see here, this is our 20 EMA. So let's add the 50. Go to insert again, indicators, trend, and choose moving average. Now we have here period, change it to 50. Method, keep it on exponential. The color, I will change it, for example, to this green. And the thickness, I will keep this one. Now click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 50 MA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.